do that. Easy. Hey. Easy, kitty, easy. It's just a lightsaber. Hey. Shh. Don't scare me like that. Easy. It's just a lightsaber. Now, hey. Easy. Whoa, you scared the crud out of me. It's alright. I'm not gonna hurt you. Man, you're in attack position, ain't you, kitty cat? I didn't even know you were there. So you want to be friends with me? Okay. Well, come on over. It's okay. I guess you were thinking I was coming at you, huh? No, it's okay. It's just a lightsaber. Man, you scared the crud out of me. Man, the kitty was about to attack me. It's okay. See, look, I'm just out here to practice. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. You like that, don't you? Nice and colorful. Man, don't do that again. It scared the crud. I thought you were going to kill me for some reason. See, it gives you some light. Thought you were going to kill me or some sort. You going to come over and say hi? Man, I thought you were going to kill me. Oh, you were going to kill me right there for just a moment. Huh. Yeah, I thought the cat was too. You following me, huh? Kitty. What you doing, kitty? Pretty cool, huh? Guess you don't know what this is. Oh. Hi, kitty. Oh, come on. You don't have to be afraid. I'm not gonna hurt you. Kitty. The cat nearly attacked me. I was about to do my training and stuff, and the cat was about to get me. I was like, ah! Well, you gotta be careful when you're facing a cat. Today has been a very pretty day today. Yeah, it's been a very pretty day. Yeah, it's been a very pretty day. Go ahead and get some lights on. See, which one is the lights? This one? Yeah. That one's the lights. It gives us enough light to do some training out here. Gee, that cat's wondering what kind of noise that is. Kitty. Kitty. Better be careful, that cat might attack. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Looks pretty cool when it's what did I just do? Maybe I need to scoot it out just a little bit. Yeah. There we go. Huh, it's not even doing anything. Hey!
Where's Alice?
They went to Home Depot for a minute.
Okay.
Look there.
What?
You see him?
Why are you messing with the cat?
I'm not. I'm just exercising out here with my lightsaber.
Get inside.
Alright.